Hey everybody, today we're going to work on rhythm reading. This is going to be review for some of us. If you did either percussion or uke last year, you'll know some of this information already, but it's going to be good for us to review it anyway. Should be a good primer for us to get into rhythmic reading and moving even beyond this. So it's a great way to start. We're going to start with quarter notes, and we've identified quarter notes already in the video part of the series that walk through the recognition of all the notes, not just the quarter notes, the half note, whole note, so forth. Now here is the quarter note. If you are in our percussion class, when you see that quarter note, you will strike whatever it is you are standing behind. Could be a snare drum, could be a practice pad, could be a cymbal. Okay. If you're in our uke class, you will strum on that quarter note. So the note equals play. Here is a quarter rest. This sign is the equivalent time span of a quarter note. It just means don't play. So we basically have a binary code here. Play, don't play. Most of the music that we are familiar with is 4-count music, meaning that every measure of music has 4 counts in it, or 4 spots where notes or rests could be placed. A standard 4-count measure with 4 quarter notes in it looks like this. What this measure tells us is that we are to play on every single count of that measure. So we've talked about staff and staves. We've talked about measures on the staff. Now we're talking about individual beats and pulses within the measure. This would be the equivalent of letters within a word. In this particular case, because there is a note on every single number, we're going to hit or strum every single number within that measure. There is no spot that we won't play. As a result, that rhythm sounds like this. All 4 spots had a clap in it. Here is another measure with 3 quarter notes in the first 3 positions and a rest on count 4. This means we play on counts 1, 2, and 3, but not on count 4. This rhythm sounds like this. Notice the silence where count 4 would have been. In its place was a rest. Here's one more variation with a rest on count 1, a rest on count 2, and notes on counts 3 and 4. This rhythm sounds like this. The only claps that took place occurred where the quarter notes were. Attached, you'll find a sheet full of quarter note and quarter rest rhythms. Practice these rhythms either on your instrument or just by clapping and counting along. What I would love for you to do is clap the 4th line of rhythm on here while recording, and then submit that recording as your Moodle assignment homework for this week. Good luck.